Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Sapience Education. My name is Vishwa and we will be solving one more question from pair of linear equations in two variables. This question, Jamila sold a table and a chair for 1050 rupees, and at the end we are supposed to find the cost price of each, meaning cost price of the table and cost price of the chair. So let us assume cost price. Just writing CP as short form for cost price. So let's CP of table be rupees X and let the CP of the chair be rupees Y. Okay. Now it is given Jamila made profit of 10% on the table and 25% on the chair. So what is profit? What is the formula for selling price? Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So she is selling the table at a 10% profit. So the cost price we have assumed it to be X. So the cost price of the table is X and she will also get some profit out of it, and that's 10%. So 10% of X, and she's also selling the chair. The cost price of chair is Y and she's also getting a profit on the chair, and that profit is 25% of the price of Y, and this overall sales is giving her 1050 rupees. She sold table and chair for 1050 by making profit 10% on table and by profit 25% on the chair. Now let us simplify this. So x plus 0.1x plus y plus 0.25 y equal to 1050, and 1 plus 0.1, that is 1.1 x plus, and here 1 plus 0.25, that's 1.25 y equal to 1050. We will call this equation number 1. Now there is a different case of sales. If she has taken a profit of 25% on the table, so instead of taking 10% on the table, this time she is taking 25% on the table, and she is taking a profit of only 10% on the chair this time. And this time she can sell both of them at a price of 1065. Again, we will simplify this equation to, so x plus 0.25x plus y plus 0.1y equals 1065, which can be written as 1.25x plus 1.1y equals 1065. This is the second equation. Now we have two equations we should be able to solve for two variables. Okay. Now in these two equations, the coefficient of x in the first equation, this is the first equation. The coefficient of x in the first equation is the coefficient of y in second equation, and coefficient of y in first equation is the coefficient of x in the second equation. In such cases, there is an easy way to solve them. We need to find two more equations by adding them, one by subtracting them. So first let us find the equation by adding them. 1.25 plus 1.1. 1.1 can be written as 1.10. So this is 5. 2 plus 1, 3. Decimal place, 1 plus 1, 2. So 2.35x. Just write it properly. 2.35x. And here also it's 1.1 plus 1.25 once again. So the value also will be same. 2.35y equals, let's add these two numbers. 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. Carrying the 1, 0 here. So 1. 1 plus 1, 2. In this left hand side of the equation, both the variables have 2.35 as their coefficient. We can take it common outside. 2.35 into x plus y equals 2115. This can also be written as 2. or instead of writing it as decimals, we can write it as 235 by 100 into x plus y equals 2115. X plus y equal to 2115 into 100 by 235. Now we can cancel the numerator and denominator with some prime factors. Both of them are divisible by 5. So 5 times 4 is 20, remainder 1. 5 times 2 is 10, again remainder 1. And 5 times 3 is 15, no reminders. And now in denominator, 5 times 4 is 20, remainder 3. 5 times 7 is 35. Now this number 423 is divisible by 47. 47 times 9 will be 9 sevens are 63 and 9 fours are 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. So 423 will go 9 times with 47. So the value of x plus y is 9 times 100, 900. We will call this the third equation. Now let's get one more equation by subtracting these two. So second equation minus first equation. Now 1.25 minus 1.1. Let's try to find the value of it. 1.25 minus 1.15, 1 and 0. So 0.15. And here also we will be getting the same value but in the negative. So equation 2 minus equation 1, 1.25 minus 1.1, that is 0.15x. Next here, again second equation minus first, 1.1 minus 1.25, so minus 0.15y. And this is equal to 1065 minus 1050 is 15. So in this equation, again we can take 0.15 common outside. So 0.15 into x minus y equal to 15. 15 by 100 into x minus y equals 15. So x minus y equal to 15 into 100 by 15. 15 will get cancelled. So x minus y equal to 100. This is the fourth equation. And we already have a third equation, x plus y equal to 900. We can solve them just by adding them. Fourth equation plus third equation will give us 2x equal to 1000, which means x is equal to rupees 500. Now if we substitute this in the first equation or in the second equation, so let's substitute the value of x in the fourth equation. So fourth equation is x minus y equal to 100 and x, we have just found x as 500. So 500 minus y equal to 100, which means 500, take 100 to left hand side, so minus 100 equals y to right hand side, so plus y. 500 minus 100 is 400. So that is the value of y. Y is 400 rupees. So the answer to this question is we need to find the cost price and we have found both the cost price. Answer is price of chair is rupees 400 and the price of table is rupees 500. If there is any doubts in this question, feel free to discuss in the comment section below. Thank you.